Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a speed test comparison between the Vivo V17 and the Oppo Reno 2F. Both phones comes with a very beautiful back. I have to say we have a MediaTek Helio P70 chipset with 8 GB RAM, while the Vivo V17 comes with a Snapdragon 675 chipset. It is a very outdated chipset that comes with 8 GB RAM. We have a quad cameras on the Vivo V17 versus a triple cameras on the Oppo Reno 2F. So let's see how much a difference between the Oppo Reno 2F and the Vivo V17 in a head-to-head speed test battle. So like always, let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time, and let's see which one is going to be the fastest one when it comes to booting up. And logo came up first on the Vivo V17, and both phones is running on Android 9 Pie. We have a Oppo UI on the Oppo Reno 2F versus a FunTouch OS 9.2 on the Vivo V17, and you can see Oppo Reno 2F is faster when it comes to booting up, while the Vivo V17 now it is also done about 2 or 4 second difference there. Both phones comes with a full HD Super AMOLED display, and Oppo Reno 2F comes with a full view display, but we have a ultra O display. It is a hole punch display inside the Super AMOLED display versus a full view display on the Oppo Reno 2F. And with the help of pop-up selfie camera on the Oppo Reno 2F. So like always, everything is closed up in the background like always. And the first application we have is the phone dialer. Here we go, and you can see that is faster on the Oppo Reno 2F, followed by the Vivo V17. Settings, that was about the same. So opening up the mic lock, again that was about the same. Let's see the calendar, and that is faster on the Vivo V17, really faster, followed by the Reno 2F. So opening up the calculator, and that is again faster on the Vivo V17, followed by the Oppo Reno 2F. Opening up the my files, and that seems like a little bit faster on the Oppo Reno 2F. And music videos about the same on both phones. So opening up now music, that was about the same, and you can see in the system based application speed, that was about the same on both phones. Overall faster on the Vivo V17. So launching some games application, and first on the list is the Candy Crush Saga, and we have a MediaTek Helio P70 versus a Snapdragon 675, and you can see Vivo V17 is faster than the MediaTek Helio P70 inside the Reno 2F. So opening up the Subway Surfer, and let's see which one is going to be the fastest one, and that is again faster on the Vivo V17. Definitely Vivo V17 is faster than the Vivo V17 in game app loading time. So let's see the Temple Run 2 last game application we have in this speed test, and again Vivo V17 is faster when it comes to booting up. Oppo Reno 2F is also right behind. So last, I'm gonna launching the cameras on both phones. Here we go, faster on the Vivo V17, followed by the Oppo Reno 2F. So let's launch the front camera on both phones at the same time, and you can see Vivo V17 is faster, followed by the Reno 2F with the pop-up selfie camera. So let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using Vivo internet browser on the Vivo V17 versus a default Google Chrome on the Reno 2F. Amazon.com, we have first website in this speed test, and same Wi-Fi network on both phones. And you can see Oppo Reno 2F is super duper faster there, while the Vivo V17 is not done yet. Now it is also done, about 1 or 2 second difference there, not a huge difference. So let's see the scrolling, and you can see looks very smooth on both phones, no lag whatsoever. So next on the list is the WWE.com, and you can see that was about the same on both phones. And again, you guys are the judge of the speed test. So let's see the scrolling on both phones, and feel like very smooth on the Vivo V70, but I noticed some lags on the Reno 2F. So let's see the RAM management on both phones. 8 GB RAM. So phone dialer, first we have no refresh, and it is very interesting to see who is best in the RAM management performance. 8 GB RAM, massive size. And let's see the calendar, no refresh. And next up is the calculator, no refresh on both phones. So far both phones is performed very good in the RAM measurement. We have videos, no refresh again. And I really like the Ultra O display on the Vivo V17. It is looks very beautiful, but not as beautiful as the Oppo Reno 2F, which comes with a full view display. It means that no notch, no hole on the display. But I like the hole punch over the full view display in my opinion, because we don't have any pop-up selfie mechanism. So last we are back to the internet browser, and you can see no refresh on both phones. Overall, I have to say that the app's opening speed it is faster on the Vivo V17. Oppo Reno 2F is right behind to the Vivo V17. RAM management is absolutely incredible on both phones. And thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Vivo V17 and the Oppo Reno 2F. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and let me know what kind of videos you want to see regarding the Vivo V17. Subscribe to my channel for future content, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.